Ever checked Instagram, searched for someone, and saw that dreaded user not found message? Yeah, we've all been there wondering if we got blocked or if they just decided to disappear. Well, Instagram has finally made it easy to find out. Instagram's new Deactivated Accounts feature removes all the guesswork. Now, you can check directly from your followers list to see who's deactivated their account. No more second-guessing or unnecessary detective work. This feature adds a Deactivated Accounts category inside your followers list. It shows every account that has been temporarily disabled, so you'll know whether someone stepped away or if they're just ignoring your messages. Instagram made it ridiculously easy. Open your Instagram profile, go to your followers list, look for the Deactivated Accounts section at the top. Tap it, and you'll see all accounts that are currently deactivated. That's it. If their account appears there, they deactivated. If it doesn't, well, you might have been blocked. Before this, figuring out if someone left Instagram or just blocked you was a guessing game. Now it's clear and simple. This feature saves time, clears up confusion, and helps you manage your followers better. Plus, if you're trying to keep your follower count steady, losing a bunch of inactive accounts can hurt your numbers. Whether you're just curious or actively cleaning up your followers, the Deactivated Accounts feature makes things easier than ever. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and check out our blog for more Instagram tips.